Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After that, tap on Sound Mode and set up Vibrate if you want to by clicking on it. When you're ready, go back and click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you will switch off or on incoming calls vibration. You can also tap on vibration intensity and swipe left or right on those two sliders to adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations and notification ones. Sorry, misclick. Now choose Haptics and Tones and click on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable feedback for touches, swipes, and more. You can also adjust intensity of your haptics by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!